This tutorial is focused on the revolved triangle or Parivrtta Trikonasana. It helps if you have a chair or a block. We're going to use a chair. So go ahead and face the chair. Bring your right foot forward, all the way forward so it's almost underneath the chair. Now take both hands to the chair. This is where you want to start. You want to start with your pelvis even. Often you move that right hip forward when you move the right leg forward. So take that back, let your spine be straight, and then lower your left arm to the floor. Press down on your right arm and begin the twist. So you've got this stable, you've got this spine long, and you're twisting. And you can use leverage of the chair to help you twist a little bit more. But make sure that you stay steady and stable here with only a slight amount of twist in the low back. And then come back up, place your left hand on the chair, and come back up. Step back with your right foot, and step forward with your left foot. And again, go forward, both hands on the chair. The spine is long. You have the breath in the abdomen. Drop your right hand to the floor. Inner thighs are active, feet stay strong, legs stay strong. And then press down with your left hand to begin the rotation. And again, you want that left arm strong to allow this spine to turn. Not so much in the head, but more in the body of the spine. Breathe abdominally. Be strong in the legs. Continue that strength. And then take your right hand up to the chair and come back up strong. You can bend your front knee to do that. Now again, switch. So your right foot moves forward, your left leg back. Walk further, closer to the chair. For this one, walk a little closer to the chair. Move the chair closer to you. Now take your elbows onto the chair, both elbows. So again, that might be a little bit too close. Let's see. Now, keep your left elbow where it is and move your right hand to the back of the chair and use that as leverage to rotate. And if you want, you can move your hand forward. So your forearm is parallel to your pelvis. And then again, use the leverage here to help you turn. This often, too, will give you stability. Sometimes when we rotate right to left, we get confused. We lose our ability to turn. We lose our stability. This should be comfortable and easy, just like every pose you do. Come back up. Switch your legs. Stepping forward with the left leg, back with the right. And here, find your stability first in the legs. Activate the pelvic floor, breathe diaphragmatically, and go forward to the chair. So your forearms are resting there. Take a moment here and find that length. That's the important thing in doing any rotation of the spine, is to make sure that it's long first, so you're not aggravating one side or the other side of the spine. And then take your left hand to the back of the chair and switch your right arm forward so it's parallel, and then use the back of the chair as much as you want to get this nice twist. Make sure you're not stiff in the pelvis. There's stability, but there's not stiffness here. And that way this lower back area will turn a little bit, 5 degrees for the 5 vertebrae, 1 degree apiece. And then there's a little bit more rotation in the thoracic area, but it is compromised due to the ribs coming out here. So don't overdo it here. And then the neck is long. It's probably the easiest to turn, but it also gets the most aggravated, so don't overdo it. Breathe here. Let your spine find this nice length as well as the rotation. And then release back, both arms to the chair, bend your front knee, and come up. Turn your feet parallel, and breathe. Exhale, so the breath is guided by prana. moves down the spine. The prana moves down the spine. The inhale moves up the spine, guided by prana. You don't have to imagine or visualize. Just allow it to happen. Prana moves down as you exhale. Prana moves up as you inhale, soothing and nourishing your spine. Thank you.